fé bhaise a cháde tá how to gael go fóil ar leanta sira, but we have a very special episode for you today. This is an interview that we recorded with the famously very sexy Taig live at the Sugar Club at our show na Nullag. Tommy de Sul Gamor Evele Verist on Tachtan Shachoing, but in the meantime, this will tide you over. Avian fe vashe diver fad agus gmech fe cuig lan the sport agus crack agus loads of how to gael. And also, Nadia Rúd Gwil Tikedi Agor our show. Our deal Anish, our tour is on sale now. So if you enjoyed this interview, you can be with us from February. We'll be all over the country and in America and Canada. Choma. Garmina Magav.
Bhí mar an sin ag dead of Iarach the rind Keshna Raggart model sexiness, being sexy. But really, Sheila Muid ag an buinte seo go bhfuil sanolí ag tastal wen. So Thomas Cohen, Cade E na hí hinoch the hortsús ar an ordan agus is Sheam Sor Eid, is Aliantor Eid, is Commodore Eid, is Commodore Fuckle Eid, is Walking Folklore Eid, is Walking Fucker Eid. They literally have sexy in their name. Leverdell, Billabus Moore, the sexy time!
Woo! Woo!
Well, she and Nulagi.
Now, I do have a very cunty outfit underneath this.
Tash Bond doing
I would
the whole.
love to show it off, but that welcome, there's just not enough bula bus for me.
Yes!
Not enough bula bus for me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to get a little drum roll on this little pad over here. Can we get a little drum roll? Do we have a little snare available?
You don't ask for much, to be fair.
And we have to get a little cussle going in our lore.
Oh, I'm dripping.
Shin on sexiness of Ian Aston of Aaron Starcha.
You're very fucking welcome.
Thank God you've landed. We needed that.
I know, everybody
You look
does.
stunning.
I know.
Okay.
You said that to me like I didn't
Talk
know.
us through.
Oh my God.
Talk us through the outfit.
Yeah.
€1 charity shop, period. And then just like sewing machine on this thing. Actually, it's Gucci, if anybody asks. If anybody asks.
It's giving Daddy Nanulog meets the Statue of Liberty, and I'm here for it.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God. I know most of them how to go on American tour.
Hey!
Yes.
There you go now.
How to go on American tour used to be the symbol of our.
Oh my God,
broth.
1000%. Well, I need a percentage of ticket sales for that, but we can talk about that.
Okay. Get on to Joe there now. Sorry. You can talk to Joe. Sheshin Abbas. Now, Taig,
Darren.
this time of year, there's one man coming. Zaddy Nanullag.
For me, there's several coming, but that's
Hey! Jeez, please God. Tell us this now. What's the difference between a daddy and a zaddy? We want to know.
Go into detail.
A daddy is probably a father with children.
Okay.
And a zaddy is a very attractive, I feel like somewhat kind of, maybe an older age, like not real, but like in the 30s, maybe 40s, something like that.
Girl, did you just say old?
Well, I am extremely young. So, you know.
Sorry,
Jack
Zaddy
up on
is in
there.
his 40s.
Yeah,
That's so specific.
right?
I think 40s to 60s.
40s to
Oh,
60s.
to
Now, here we go
60s,
now,
yeah.
Shiva. You're showing
Sorry.
too much of yourself.
I think
Okay.
40 is like is
50 is grand.
for
Darren.
this demographic, like. For
Can we
this,
get maybe a vote in the audience? Who says Zaddy is in their 40s? Can we get a woo?
I hear.
For fuck's
Oh my
sake,
God.
lads.
What
Okay,
an
okay, maybe
unenthusiastic-
let's go up. Let's go up.
Zaddy in the 30s. Oh. That's more. Zaddy in the 50s?
Yes. See, okay, 50s is our decade.
Owen Keane has
60s?
never been as quiet.
Yeah, speak your truth, Owen.
Zaddy in there.
Agus cared if I all lurgush o Zaddy Nanulog Lena.
Oh, Zaddy and Nullook, you know, I'm kind of focusing on being my own Zaddy and Nullook this year and supplying
Yes.
myself with enough affirmation and validation to just sail through life. So, Mama, I don't need a Zaddy and Nullook because
Yes.
I'm my own Zaddy and Nullook.
Oh my God. You and me both, Tyke. You and me both.
I am you both, clearly.
Okay, Tyke, so there now you know we are talking about sexiness. So, Maguri Kashgar if we Cain Brie atá sexiness ditche. On Eid, na Haidi occurring with her and Hain new on Mion a sexiness. Is sexiness a state of mind?
I would say so. I think there's tá like cuach de geshle sexiness coma. You know, there's a sense of ownership in sexiness. Like, I think in the last few years, like I would have tried to receive validation from others, and you know, clearly I'm not an attention seeker at all. You know, I'm very
So low key.
You know,
So low key.
I'm very chill vibes.
Demure,
If I'm made
mindful.
demure.
Casulin our fault, you know.
Sinead, yeah. So, but I still finish the sexiness, you know, hagan she hain. And it's definitely sna edi. Mar carrying she that kind of nearly like uskal and durs, gedi chach and sexiness.
Oh, population you.
There you go now. Well, there's plenty of beds for everybody in the audience, so come on in.
It's like, Toys going joke, well, does it just, I think you have an air of sexiness about you. It drips off you, so to speak. And it certainly did. On our year, not going to be Mercury Kayla was in a mosh pit at Electric Picnic. In Mother, Iha Downach, Tig and I were actually in Taffet Kayla, will not say where in RTE, Mod and Lewin. And this was like a deck on a car, and I meet him in the mosh pit of Mother, and I'm like, hey babes, like, you look gorgeous. I guess we do a Lauren Ainig, we do like the moves, like, on the
Oh,
shin.
jeez, I doubt that very much.
No, I was
Thank
wondering,
you.
was it a mating ritual? Like, what is it? What are these sexy moves? Tell us more.
The sexy moves, well, it's something like, hold on, do you mind if I demonstrate?
Oh, hello.
I like to go for a wide stance. Kind of asserting dominance over the room. And then, can I get like a beat? Actually, I'm actually driving you
love
mad over
Declan.
here.
Declan, we love a Declan.
Come on, Declan.
Go on,
Yeah,
Declan
but-
though.
What kind of beat?
I just find whatever.
You know, whatever. Something
you're
sexy, Declan. That's
Yeah,
the brief.
Yeah, not at all. It's
Right,
kind of
let's
just
go.
like a very sexy. Very sexy. Oh, that's what I said.
Oh, excuse me.
So, tongue out.
Oh!
It's all in the tongue. It's all in the tongue. There you go. Thank you so much.
Deadly.
Shin, I don't think I'll move Shin Feka Gum Hannah. Where does it originate?
It's something I've worked on for years.
Okay.
In my bedroom alone.
I know it was called Look Fek na Bio.
Fáilte rómh go léir, you know. Cos just a bhreistir sin dar nóid.
Taig Inish the Look Fek na Rubuk Food Fain. Kehu, Cuddy Ann and Stu.
Well,
We all know how sexy you are. You know?
Sinead,
Now we've established that.
we had to get that out of the way. Now we can get to the Tig part.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, Tom O'Carlow. Hey, anybody from Carlow here? That's what I thought.
Dinner
You
one!
know, that's always the fucking
There's
way.
a dinner one. There's one straggler up there. Did I see a love there? Golly Dawn!
Oh, come
Hey!
Are you from the town? Okay. Well, that's all that there is to that. So, yeah, Carlow and it's Kjol Tormé. I've been playing piano since I was 4 years old. My mammy put me into class, and I didn't even know what a triangle was, but I said, go on, I'll try the piano.
Do you need
And,
to know what triangles are to play the piano?
There's a lot of geometry involved
Yeah, okay.
in music.
Yeah.
This is the thing, a lot of shapes.
Yeah, that
Lot-
wide stance. Like
Throne
how-
shapes.
The
Throne
symmetry of it.
Yeah, I am Pythagoras at the end of the day. You know, you're all very welcome for the theorem. Very welcome for the theorem.
What would we do without you, honestly?
Honest
I didn't know
God.
Pythagoras was from Carlo.
Yeah, Carlo born and bred.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
So bring us to the moment that Sexy Tig was born, because it's been a mad few years for you, and particularly Emily and I think will like just so much I got. You've absolutely flown it. Tell us about the Kjol side of things.
Well, the Kjol side of things, I mean, Jose Sexy Tig and Mach are kind of just a joke online. Like, Marvima Anna Mary Instagram Tig official, but I was like, I'm not fucking Rihanna. Like, who's trying to steal the name of Tig, you know? So I was like, I may as well have fun with it. And then I just came up with Sexy Tig. And then Jose Dini Igle Sexy Tiger. And I was like, you know what? Oh, and freshen. Near everyone Anam Sexy Tig Toka air Instagram. So I just had Sexy Tig, just clean. I was like, oh, fuck.
You didn't need a dot or a slash or a
But how many billion of accounts
an
are there on
underscore.
Instagram?
Is heartbreaking, isn't it?
This is it. That I couldn't do an underscore.
Darren, you
Darren
might
have-
have to try out sexy Darren.
There you go.
Neither was your shit again, you go fall.
But Corla Anam
What a rebrand. What a
Yeah.
rebrand that would be. I
Sexy
wonder how that
Darren.
would fit in with my like fiddle playing.
Once
What do
again,
you
they are
think?
not mutually exclusive,
yeah,
Darren.
the lad, yeah, I think it's been accepted by the traditional music community, so it could be a fucking go. Tig, I'm going to tell you about this is my move now, okay?
Tell me.
When I'm on dates. Yes.
Plural.
Plural.
Allegedly.
Better believe it.
Who have you been talking to? So, anyway, I don't know how this happened, but this has kind of become my thing. And I've actually been, I'm not even joking, some people have actually stopped me now, a place
The
to be like,
club.
yeah, in the club.
As in they go, please
In
stop.
the mosh pit.
Please.
No, and they just start
Do it
answering this
now.
question. They just start answering this question. So I don't know how this happened. We mentioned in the show bio that like my question on a first date was, if you were in the 1916 Rising, where would you be stationed? And I don't know how that kind of became a running joke. But now, I've been stopped a couple of times by like random men, and are like, Kieran, I just want to let you know what the answer to that question would be for me. And they tell me, and you know, you kind of have to. I don't know. It's an awkward interaction, is all I'll say. But look,
On Phelim just catch one occur,
Yeah.
sorry, so how much go Fragra Thaig. So on Will Fragra a wine, is it kind of like, you know, the princess on the Ruddigans, you're looking for that one correct answer?
yeah. Well, I think that the one correct answer is that if you don't know, you know what I mean. If you don't know, then it's like
Then you know.
yuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't know,
deep.
then you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
So my question. This is like you're on a first date without Gail. Okay. If you were in the 1916 Rising, where would you be stationed?
Well, I was there, firstly, and I was actually in the GPO.
You're looking great.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Botox.
Neutrogena.
Give me the name of
It
your
works wonders
SPF.
under the eyes. No, I was in the GPO and I was giving everybody a number to keep morale up.
Yeah.
I was kind of doing a camp rock, like, we won't back down.
Is there a song at each song in the world that makes you feel sexiest?
Aaron Aveen was a great shout there earlier. I loved that one.
You can have it. I didn't take it.
No, the sexiest song. What's the la la la
La la la la la la la la. Hey, la 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 la
This thing
la
on.
la la la. Hey, la 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 la. Sarah, take it away.
Can't get you out of my head.
Boy, you're more than I dare to think about. Sarah
It's
knows
in
all
D
the
minor,
lyrics.
D minor,
Can't
D
get you
minor,
out
D
of
minor.
my head. Boy, and more than I care to think about. This is my dream.
D, give me a D.
He needs a D, a big D. Secret in me. Don't leave me lost in your arms. Let me Oh my God, that's my dream.
Oh my
That
God!
is your
Imagine
dream.
if we had actually learned the words.
Words and
I
everything.
can't even
What a
afford
missed
time.
opportunity!
Sweeney,
What
for
a
the
missed
impromptu.
opportunity!
Mashiv Shmini Gur
Yup.
That was a stunning deed. Did it work for you?
Oh yeah, I feel very sexy.
Okay, did that work for you? Yeah. Okay, come on.
Go on, you're going to give us an old tune.
Nico
yourself.
Go on.
Nico phone,
So,
no?
do we mind if I play a bit of piano for you tonight?
So sexy.
So she'll count that Duma Aaron Hain. It's a bit fun. And I feel like you'll enjoy it. It's about setting boundaries and protecting yourself. I was serious. The first fucking serious thing I said. Shit. This is Claim My Love. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday night, alone by myself, asking for a fight. I need excitement, I need release, oh, just a distraction, baby, please. When you call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. No mountain high, I'd run through the valley. I need you here by my side. I have no worries when you look in my eyes. When you look through my eyes, when you look through my eyes, when you look through my eyes. Oh baby, remember now, don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. Said, don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. So I leave my house with my makeup done, my hair so high I can feel the sun. I can feel that heat washing over me. Sweet energy, sweet, sweet energy. And I can feel this love, it's inner peace. It's flowing out from inside of me. It gives me strength to carry on, to see the light, to have some fun. I can take myself out, I can rule the world. Don't need your attention or your loving words. Don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. So don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. Don't you try to claim my love, yeah. Don't try to claim my love. Don't try to claim my love. Don't try to claim my love. Don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. Said, don't you play with my emotions and then try to claim my love. I'm not just a pretty face. Now, for the season that's in it, I said we'd sing a song that maybe we all know. Although, maybe next year or something, when it comes out in like April. So, just saying, it's not a big deal. But I would love to hear everybody in the room sing this song with me, because I know you know it. I know you do. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. One more time. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I kept my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, would you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it wouldn't surprise me. Say it! Merry Christmas. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but I know you fooled me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, save me from tears. I'll give it to someone special. Or one I love. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Yeah. Oh, I gave it to someone special. A crowded room and friends with tired eyes, they're hiding from you and your soul advice. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. I guess I was a shoulder to cry. Face on lover with the fire in his heart, a man undercover to tear me apart. Ooh, now I found a real love you never found. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Just shift Chanel, let me hear you.